In today's video, we'll explore why jumping rope is a fantastic addition to your fitness routine. When was the last time you used a jump rope? Perhaps it was in your PE class? We understand. Many of us have been there too. If you're unsure about the benefits of jumping rope or feel self-conscious about doing it at the gym, let our video change your perspective. Interested in some benefits? For starters, jumping rope is an excellent calorie burner. Additionally, it can enhance your mental capacity. We'll discuss these advantages and more, so be sure to stay tuned. 1. Burns calories. Did you know that few exercises burn calories as effectively as jumping rope? Even at a moderate pace, you can burn 10 to 16 calories per minute. If you do a 10-minute jump rope session, you could burn around 160 calories. In fact, skipping rope for 10 minutes is roughly equivalent to running an 8-minute mile. Pretty impressive, right? 2. Improves bone density. While a diet rich in calcium is well known for increasing bone density, jumping rope is also beneficial. Surprised? Studies show that just 10 minutes of jumping rope daily can provide greater bone-building benefits than running. This exercise is particularly effective for both the elderly and athletes looking to boost their bone density. 3. Develops agility and quickness. Do you want to move quickly and lightly? Jumping rope for just 10 minutes a day can help you achieve that. It enhances your body's connection with your mind, allowing for better neuromuscular adjustments and improved balance. This exercise targets your calves, knees, and ankle joints, helping you become quicker and more balanced while reducing the risk of foot and ankle injuries. It's no wonder boxers favor jump rope training. 4. Provides a brain workout. Jumping rope benefits not only your physical appearance but also your brain. Activities that engage both physical and mental faculties, like jumping rope, significantly enhance cognitive function. This exercise promotes the development of both the left and right hemispheres of the brain, leading to improvements in memory, reading skills, and mental awareness. 5. Extremely affordable and versatile. Jump ropes are easy to incorporate into your daily routine, whether in the morning or evening. Depending on your schedule, you can use it as a warm-up or as a full workout. All you need is a rope, enough space, whether at home, outdoors, or at the gym, and a flat surface to maintain your rhythm and footwork. There are countless beginner workout guides available online. To keep things interesting, try different tricks and vary your speed. So, are you ready to give jump rope a try? Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more fascinating facts about the human body, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.